Got it? Say, look
He's up.
Say, I'm all better. Say, I got Dorito breath.
Hello, good morning. Travis is cutting up the fish this morning. So it was a struggle getting Maddie up today. We can't take his clothes off because it hurts, huh?
Are you going, Mommy? Beach?
Yep, I'm going to beach. We're going to boat. Got my mom shorts on.
Okay, you want to go?
So we're about to pack up and leave.
Go. You ready to go? Go.
Only got 2 more days left after this.
Yeah, right.
Okay guys, outfit of the day, hair braided, my same old purse, these cute shoes, and like I said, my mom's shorts for the boat. We're heading to the boat, so we'll see you guys there.
Turn.
Maddie's taking us to our boat. Good job, Maddie.
I see sand.
You see sand?
Oh, where you going?
Whoa.
Carolyn's there. Good job. Perfect.
Here we made
Matthew, where's the fish bait?
Says beautiful.
It is back.
Okay, good job.
All right, I gotta get Maddie out carefully, huh? Hang on, you all right? His sunburn's it's hurting him.
Okay guys, we're gonna go out to the boat. I brought Matthew a cover, my swimsuit, and Matthew, what are we about to go do? We're gonna go fishing on a boat. It says bar and grill and everything up there. Water sports, boat rentals, that's what we're doing. Sun sails, Stoke. So I guess it's Stokel. This is gonna be really fun, isn't it, Gracie? Okay guys, Travis got some alive shrimp in here. I'm gonna try to pick one up.
Can I reach in here?
Yeah, you can reach in there. I'm gonna let Caleb do it.
I know.
And there they are. Get another one. They feel weird.
They don't feel that weird.
Let me try. Give me one.
Give you one?
Okay, here you go.
You keep them in your hand.
This cart has been handy. My little carter thing. And then we go way out here to get our boat. What? The butt stops here. Oh, cigarette butts. They had a little wagon here for the pontoons. So we're set. This is beautiful. Autumn and them are almost here. Hi. Woo. Here we go. We've made it. This long walk we've walked. Good. Yay! We made it.
Well, you can keep this.
Oh.
There's some ice.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Caleb, if you walk out here, you'll probably see cooler stuff.
What do you think, Matthew?
Give me that net. Get up here.
Look, they found there's a crab inside.
Right there. Yeah, that's a good shot of it.
Wow, this is cool. Travis! There's your sister and then let's go.
There's another one.
That is awesome.
Huge one.
You done? No, there's nothing on that. Okay, baby.
Used to be if you put them upside down, they come out.
Look at this.
Mommy, can I have the pieces?
Later, when we come back.
I want to fish the fish.
Are you excited?
You guys see any fish?
Not yet.
Do you know where the dolphins are?
Yep. So there was few that here this morning,
Hold on, I
they
need
may
to get a
lingering
goose
around
egg.
here. Other than that, you have to go out in the pass, and unfortunately, you won't make it on the pedal.
Called out one day.
Just on this job every day.
Would you like this for your job?
7 days
I knew
a
it.
week, 10 hours a day.
She heard me calling. She heard me say her name. But she
We're off.
hides away.
Is everybody ready?
She hides away.
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it.
Nothing? I think it ate it. It was
Me and my dad just got this. It has teeth. I know, it's gonna bite you. Ah, don't put it next to me.
I'll grab this, you grab the fishing poles. I just needed to get down first. Grab the
No,
fishing
let me
pole.
help you so nothing drops and you don't get smacked with it or something.
Hang on, I might need help down.
Just take this.
No.
Now give me your hand. Just jump.
Oh, Lord, dude.
That's what I mean. It ain't bad. Let's go.
That's a hole.
That's where motor's been stuck and they spin it.
Hey, look, I found this.
Hey!
I made it.
Get fire ants on you, it's gonna ruin your day.
I found a hole in this cat.
Up there now.
Yeah, Maddie's legs are still messed up from it. You ain't gonna find nothing jumping.
When you look around them rocks, there's all kinds of stuff.
Matthew, let me spray you real fast.
Get in there.
Your legs. Do you want to get burned? And then tonight you're gonna be hurting again? I don't think you want to hurt again. Let me see your legs real fast. Right there.
Hey, where's that plastic bag? That way I can go, you can meet me. I'm going all the way to that where we were just at.
I got your fishing though.
Oh, what? I know, I got everything I need to start, man.
All right.
I feel afraid to get in this water.
Why?
Because I feel like a crab's gonna come up and pinch me. Look at your boyfriend.
Wow, look at Travis run over there. I got your hand. So look at the pretty sand. So beautiful and white. Let me hold your hand now. Yeah, Daddy's over there. He's crazy. He's trying to get him a fish, huh? Are you having a fun day today, Maddie? Run, you're running like Daddy. You look like your dad right now. It's a beautiful day. Ended up being a beautiful day. It was chilly, but now it's starting to get better. We can't get that sweater off Matthew because it just hurts him too much. His trip got ruined by a sunburn. I was hoping to get a little bit better before we leave, but I think we might stay longer and drive more south Wednesday and get a hotel out there. So we'll see. You feel like you're in a desert out here. You see your papa? Yeah. You ready to try to climb these rocks, Maddie? Wow. That hole. Walk where? Alright, let's try to walk this, Maddie. I'm going to turn them off while we walk it. Change of plans. We're going to walk up here. He said, I'm going to Papa.
Come on, baby! Say it, man, that. No, you gotta go.
Say, Daddy, whoa, he's right over there. He ran far away. He ran off. Daddy wants us to go to him. All right, love you, bye. I'll make sure you get there, okay? I love you. You're so cute. I'm going to make sure you get there safely. I'm not going to let you walk that way by yourself. Huh? He said, you go to Daddy and I go to Hadley Kinley. Look at that water over there if you guys can see it. Travis is over there. Autumn and them are over there. Maddie's right there. Look at Maddie. Maddie, look at the camera. Look up high. It's following you.
Nay, nay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Rap, rap. Yo no sé si es que te quiero más. Cada vez más rápido se nos da, yeah, más fácil. Debe ser que tú tienes algo que encontrarnos tan fácil. Pero eso es que quiero más, más. Yo soy tu VIP, tu parte, porque tú a mí haces feliz. Me queda presumir, ay de ti. Qué bonito verte sonreír. Yo soy tu VIP, papi, yo te parte, que tú me haces feliz. Me encanta presumirte. Tu amor me compromete. Soy tuya pa' que respeten. Yeah, yeah, vale más que mis billetes. Y que mi voz lo interprete. Yeah, yeah, yeah. VIP pa' ti, baby, ¿quién lo diría? Todo lo que yo hago por ti, orgulloso diciendo tú eres mía. Tú lo sabes, baby, baby, yeah. Cuando tú me llenas cuerpo, besos, esa sensación tú no la ves, pero que me llena con exceso más, y más, y más. Soy tu VIP, tu parte, porque tú a mí haces feliz. Me queda presumir, ay de ti. Qué bonito verte sonreír. Yo soy tu VIP, papi, yo te parte, que tú me haces feliz. Me encanta presumirte. A mí me encanta presumirte, baby, con todas mis amigas. VIP, a mí no me importa lo que digan. No hay que decidir, cuando vi esos ojos era para ti. Ponte más cerquita, que ya no te muero. Seamos los locos en este mundo de acuerdo. Soy tu favorita, estamos de acuerdo. Tú tienes derecha mientras que yo soy de izquierda. Cuando tú me llenas cuerpo, besos, esa sensación tú no la ves, pero que me llena con exceso más, y más, y más.
You guys are really lucky I don't get, oh, hang on, don't, do not. It's stuck on her.
You are dead.
Bring it over here again.
Come some big ways.
Oh my God.
Alright, hold on, Happy, very much.
Come like a reverse.
Oh, hold on tight, Matthew. Travis, hold on. Travis, hold on. Hey, I'm scared of all your pants off. So?
Daddy!
You put them back on when you get out.
Caleb. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, shoot! That must be deep.
Wait, Caleb.
It's up to there to Travis.
Oh, he's gonna hold nephew. Okay, go ahead.
Are you excited to go snorkeling in that, Caleb?
Yeah. No, because I can reach it. Just like they don't let me go front. I'm pretty sure I can't reach it. How? Look at. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be up here for me, like right here.
Want me to buckle you up?
Standing on the porch in the night, thinking how we used to be way back in time. In time. Barefoot on the grass, open skies. I can feel it every time I close my eyes. My eyes, yeah. Can you remember when we were young and free, like queens up on a throne?
We tried to lay down and take a nap, but that didn't happen. And I actually started cleaning up the room for a little bit, and I was going to go in here because I'm going to kind of tell you guys a secret and take you in here and just act like I'm doing something else. But I want you to see this blister on Matthew's. It's right here. He's got little blisters on his arm. I feel so bad, but I don't want him to know about it. So that's why we're going to do it like this.
Living on a fiancé visa. So these papers are the last thing they enforce. Although most of it's filled out.
Everybody just says don't pop it, blah blah blah, but it just stresses me out. I feel horrible as a parent, as a mom, and I failed my child, and now he's the one dealing with it. So it just really breaks my heart. But I'm gonna finish cleaning. Just been like cleaning up this whole floor. I got those trash away. Gracie fell asleep, of course. But got that bed cleaned up, the sand off the ground. I put this towel here so we can clean our feet off. Like, we just clean our feet off, then jump on the bed so sand don't get on the bed, but sand is still been getting on the bed. I got a little bit of it. There was a pile of stuff here, but now I got that much left. There's no dustpan, but there's a broom. And I'm about to go through all our bags and just figure out what we're keeping for the next few days. And then I'll pack the rest, because regardless if this room ain't available, we're going to have to find another room after Wednesday. We might just go to Autumn and then for one day, and then we're thinking about going more south. So I need to start looking up rooms for that. I thought he was going to go sleep or I'd take my phone and do that, but he didn't. And Travis and all them are still out fishing on the pier. So I will get back with you guys here in a few. Gracie's running away from Callie. We got pizza, but we have to go down to the lobby and get it. And I got the face on Gracie. Wow. Hopefully she comes down the stairs. Look, you can get some on the beach. Ooh, beachy. In the hotel. We can go to the lobby through here. In our arcade room.
That don't work. That's why they're shut down.
Oh, is it?
Well, that one is. No, that token thing don't work, and we've tried talking to 2 people, but they ignored them.
Alright. Everybody came at the same time. Awesome. Okay,
2 large and the bread and a drink.
Miss Crystal?
Yes.
Alright. So we'll have this one for you guys.
Thank you.
Alright.
Have a good day.
Yes,
Stay
ma'am.
safe. Pizza, pizza.
This is not the drizzle.
I know, I lied.
Wow. I followed you guys the whole time.
Cool.
Oh yeah, I can't deposit. Oh yes, I can. I can withdraw my money.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, let's go withdraw. Let's get my card.
Okay, we're going back up. We're going back up to the hotel.
And then we're gonna come down.
I want to go to the beach, but Maddie won't let me. I can smell it. Huh? Heartache, a mistake. We're gonna get copyrighted.
For singing the song that new YouTube probably doesn't even know that we're not
The
singing it right.
cops. Wow. Caleb, the cops are here to get you. Hear me?
Why?
Cops are here to get you.
Why?
They're outside. Something crazy is going on in the neighborhood. Everybody like their pizza? Yeah, everybody does. So quiet. That's how good it is. Travis is wowing. What, do you need help or you got it? Say good night. We're going to bed. Say hope you guys enjoyed boat day. Boat day. Say love you.
Bye.
Good night. Bye.